Hi, I'm Margaret. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to bring out the best flavour of lemon curd. And the first tip is to add your lemon zest into the sugar and to give it a good whiz in the food processor. By blending them both together, you're bringing the flavour out of the zest and combining it with the sugar. Most of the flavour in lemons is in the zest, so you will notice the difference. A microplane is great for this. It takes the yellow zest and leaves the white pith, so you get all of the flavour and none of the bitterness. Just a few seconds and that's it. Well worth the effort. Next for the eggs. Do you know, I always think making lemon curd is very similar to making a custard, but instead of using milk, you use lemon juice. I'm going to beat this until it's lovely and light and creamy. That will do nicely. Then it's in with the lemon, bit by bit, and with a hand whisk until it's well incorporated. You can only use fresh lemon juice for this. It's the only way to get the best flavour. Next it needs heating up so it becomes lovely and thick. And we do this over a medium to low heat, stirring constantly, using a spatula and making figure-of-8 movements so you cover the whole of the base of the pan. This prevents any of the curd from settling on the bottom and it keeps the mixture lovely and smooth. It will soon start to thicken. Keep stirring, and as soon as it starts to bubble around the edges, pop in the butter, turn the heat off and give it a really good stir. The butter adds another layer of flavour. It makes the curd creamy and gives it a lovely shine. When you're sure it's well combined, you can pop it into a sterilised jar that has a nice screw-top lid. It will thicken more as it cools. Just pop a circle of baking paper on top to stop a skin from forming and pop it in the fridge when it's cooled down. This sweet yet tangy ingredient can be used in lots of lovely desserts and puddings, and it can even be just popped on toast instead of your jam for breakfast. And that's a great way to start the day. Take care, have a good week, catch you soon.